Tesla has officially introduced the Model YL in China, a larger and more versatile version of the Model Y that now offers seating for 6 passengers. Priced at 339,000 Chinese yuan, which equals about $47,000 in the United States, this new edition sits slightly higher in cost compared to the Model Y long-range all-wheel drive available in the same market. The Model YL has a certified driving range of 751 kilometers, which translates to 466 miles under the CLTC standard. Although this test cycle tends to deliver more optimistic results than the WLTP or EPA methods, the figures remain impressive for a vehicle of this size. Tesla achieved this range thanks to a bigger battery pack, allowing the YL to match the performance of the smaller Model Y long-range all-wheel drive in terms of endurance. Dimensionally, the Model YL stretches about 180 millimeters longer, stands 24 millimeters taller, and offers a wheelbase extended by 150 millimeters compared to the standard version. These changes result in a roomier interior, making space for more passengers and storage. Tesla has revealed that the vehicle can handle up to 2,539 liters of cargo, while also including added comfort features like electric armrests for the second row. Deliveries are expected to begin in September, giving buyers a relatively short wait. While the pricing makes sense within Tesla's own lineup, competition in China is fierce. Alternatives such as the Onvo L90 undercut Tesla's price by around $8,000, making the Model YL a pricier option in this market. Despite this, many believe the new version would find greater popularity in North America, where larger family-friendly SUVs are in high demand. If Tesla keeps the United States price close to $51,000, the YL could attract a significant audience. However, this model may indirectly spell the end for the Model X, as the newer and more affordable option could replace its role in the lineup. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss future updates.